Only the Americans could build a place like this in the middle of the jungle. Only the Americans would want to.
I'm not going to bore you with the backstory on this amazing painting, but it is amazing to me. It is very important to me. Instead of saving it safely forever in storage, is that I will safely save it forever on my wall. Hanging a picture on a wall, a nail will suffice. If it's a little picture of your girlfriend from back in the day, this is not that. So I'm gonna hang a drywall anchor, if you know what that is. You'll know by the episode's end. They sell these things in plastic and in metal. Come on, dude, spend the extra quarter, buy the one, and get the metal one. It looks like a drill. That's because it is. Plastic ones, good luck trying to drill that in the wall. What you'll do with this metal one, with a little bit of oomph, shoot it right into the wall where you want it. This now will serve as a port. Most interior walls in America are made of drywall. Just trust me on that one. Please don't Google it. And my friends always ask me, hey Johnny, what exactly is drywall? Well, it's funny you should ask. Drywall, also known as plasterboard or wallboard, is made up of two paperboard materials that sandwich together a substance called gypsum. Gypsum is basically a white powdery or gray powdery mineral sulfate. Now gypsum is non-flammable, which is ideal. And in comparison to other wallboards, like let's say solid wood or plaster, is much more affordable. It continues to be a choice of fell asleep during my own shoot. Now you shoot a screw into the thing that is included in the package and leave some sticking out. Sometimes when I listen to really smart people talk, I'm thinking, man, that guy is really smart. He's like an encyclopedia or a politician. I always, when I get to talking in front of a group and I start sounding really smart and I'm making good eye contact and I got hand gestures going and I'm saying, am I right? And they're like, uh-huh. I start listening to myself talk like an outer body experience. And if you've ever done it where you're talking and listening at the same time, usually something fails and collapses. I think that's how John Belushi died. As you keep moving along forward in your journey of life, you're going to keep running into stuff like this on the back of clocks and shelves and what have you. And these are for screws mounted into a wall with the anchor bolt that you just learned how to do today.
He's close, man.